The civil authorities have issued a hazardous materials warning for Head Alka TX, beginning at 2:29 p.m. and ending at 3:29 p.m. A hazardous materials spill has occurred in the McAulin Head Alka Reynosa International Bridge. The United States Customs and Border Protection is currently investigating this incident. At this time, those near the McAulin Head Alka Reynosa International Bridge must shelter in place.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the City of Brownsville Office of Emergency Management and Homeland Security. There has been a hazardous materials spill in the Brownsville-Matamoros Bridge. A similar incident has also occurred in the McAllen-Hidalgo-Reynosa International Bridge. This has prompted the attention of the United States Customs and Border Protection, who are currently investigating the situation. At this time, if you are located near the Brownsville-Matamoros International Bridge, shelter in place. Do not go near the area. Please watch for further updates.